time to clean using the power of lemons. Welcome to the Ideal Home Show. I'm Louise Gookey. All right, let's go. So you've been using your chopping board for a while and it starts to smell. It's got that onion, that garlic smell coming off it, and nothing can get rid of it. Well, these incredible pieces of fruit can do. All right, let's start. So you are going to need one more thing, and that is some coarse sea salt. So you're going to take your salt, sprinkle it over your chopping board. Now that's going to act as an abrasive. It sort of scrubs away the stains and the bacteria when you get your lemon onto it. So squeeze the lemon. What we're after is getting a bit of that citric acid onto the chopping board. And away we go. You're literally going to use it as a bit of a scourer and rub all of that salt and the lemon juice, the citric acid, into the chopping board. So that's going to bring up all the smells and all the odour and then help get rid of that bacteria. In fact, let's add a little bit more salt onto that. It's a really natural way of doing this without adding any chemicals to your chopping board, which then can end up in your food. So once you put a bit of elbow grease into it, giving it a good old scrub. Now, if it's really bad, you can let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes before cleaning it. And if you've not got salt lying around, something else you can use is bicarbonate of soda. You sprinkle this on and you're going to hear it all fizz up with the lemon juice. And that just, again, helps bring up the bacteria and all the grime. And there we go, we'll leave it for a couple of minutes. So then you can either run it under the tap with some warm water and wash it all off, or just use a cloth. And the finished result. Time for the microwave. Grab yourself a bowl of water. Out come the lemons. Squeeze that lemon into the bowl. You can pop in the half and another one into the microwave. And off it goes for 3 to 5 minutes. So once it's finished, let it sit for a couple of minutes to work its magic, and then it's time to clean. So be careful because the bowl will be hot. There we have it, a bowl of warm lemon water. And from there, take your cloth and you can just wipe away all the grease and the grime. So the lemon has helped cut through it all. It's brought up that bacteria, and it makes it super easy to wipe away any stubborn marks that have been left and stuck on in your microwave. Plus, it smells amazing. If your dishwasher's starting to smell a little bit, it's a bit grubby, a bit grimy, instead of adding harsh chemicals, why not try lemons first? So it can act as a natural rinse aid and make your glasses super shiny. So just take 2 halves, pop it in, and give it a good rinse. If your fridge is starting to smell a little bit, maybe you left half an uncooked onion in there, well, you can take a lemon, pop it on a plate, or if it's really bad, squeeze that lemon once again into some water, and into the fridge it goes. And it will smell so much better. If you've got a dirty oven or a dirty oven tray, make yourself a bit of a paste using some bicarb, lots of lemon. Squeeze the lemon on top and mix it up. So once you've made a nice paste, you can spread that onto the tray or inside your oven, leave it for a couple of hours and wipe the grease away. So if you want to try a more natural way of cleaning, give lemons a go. Now, if you found that helpful, or if you've got any other ways that you clean with lemons, drop us a comment below. We always love hearing from you, and we'll see you next time.